Pratik Shah, founder and CEO of EnclaveFX. After so much trading platform trying, we are introduced my our platform EnclaveFX in 2018. In EnclaveFX, so much services we provide like a payment service, copy trading service, and customized IB program also. We are providing two-level IB program, and also for special traders, we are customized on that. Also, 8 type of group. You can enjoy 8 type of group like a micro, standard, silver, and also Asian Pro group. We are also giving in gold fixed brand. If you are interested, you can contact EnclaveFX and visit EnclaveFX website and try it once. Thank you so much. Pratik Shah, here will be.
Dear traders, are you looking for best trading platform for Forex, crypto, indices, and so goes on? So my dear friends, your wait is over. You can join us on EnclaveFX. Myself, I am from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra. I am working as regional head marketing in Dubai. I am handling marketing business of Asia country. EnclaveFX is a pioneer in world-class Forex industry. Company has been established in 2018. EnclaveFX having best IB solution for the traders, where companies are providing IB in 2 levels.